One of the biggest components when you are planning your kitchen is always going to be the cabinetry. And you want every single drawer, every cupboard to really deliver. So what we did was we went into Bunnings and we actually spent quite a bit of time with the team in there, and they are amazing. They took us through the samples, they took us through all of the accessories. We were able to actually have a play. And then what you can do, which we did, was we brought a whole lot of colour samples back to the house so that we could see how that worked in the space and in the light, different times of the day, and also with all of our other materials. We ended up opting for licorice twist, which is a beautiful deep black. Now it's not a flat finish, it's a beautiful timber grain finish. And that runs through and it creates that lovely texture which we always like to see in all of our materials. So the quality of this cabinetry is actually incredible, it really is. Even the drawers, they've got these beautiful metal-sided drawers, the beautiful soft close mechanisms, everything just feels like beautiful quality. The great thing about the Kaboodle range too is that they've got a whole lot of really standard cabinetry. Some of the stuff you can get straight off the shelf, some you need to order. But the other thing is, if you are a clever DIYer or you're working with your builder to install, is you can order some of their panels and then you can start to cut down to create some of your own clever little moments. So we did that in the butler's pantry. We used their American oak benchtops to create some beautiful shelving. And then above that microwave, we've actually created a beautiful platter stacker using some of their preform panels. So when it came to the butler's pantry, we thought this would be a nice opportunity to try and save a little bit of money. So instead of the marble bench tops, we've actually gone for the Kaboodle American oak bench tops, which we've lime washed with a polyurethane lime wash. That's going to make that extra durable.